like the best?
What's the best?
Alright, so this one.
Oh.
No well. Yeah. I'm gonna keep it real like that.
Okay.
So think white. Right there. The white's been getting the love tonight.
Alright, and what do you want?
Anything you want that you remember? You're in a rock.
Can I do like this?
Me and Richie got in trouble.
So cold.
Yeah, you can do that. I know once that it was so cold in Chicago.
Aren't my wet cheeks on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I rolled it. Oh, I keep getting the place where yeah. I love this. I couldn't decide on which ones I want to bring because these ones are such an investment when you print them.
Yeah.
They're expensive. I remember I had brought one to a signing one time, and this girl's like, "Can I have it?" I'm like, "Girl, that thing's expensive. You can't have it."
Yeah, you're like, I'm gonna have to tell Matt that you came. Do you remember my friend Matt?
Matt, I know Matt. We hung out in Dallas.
Oh yeah, you did.
Yeah, I was filming for him in
I
Dallas.
know. That's what I'm saying. I have to tell him that
I miss him. He was trying to get me to run on those series. I did the one in Vermont. I did the Vermont.
Okay, I remember you telling me about that.
I gotta run with you one day.
Yeah, we have to.
I gotta. I want to do it. Where do you do? Georgia, right?
We do Georgia. Yeah.
I want to so bad. I'm like,
Do it. Come down.
I want to do it. You got me in it, so I'll hit you up.
Okay.
So I'm like, I
Matt
want.
and I always do that.
If I'm at competitive, I'm gonna go out there and beat you guys. So this one is.
Matt and I like to mess around on the course.
Yeah, Matt's a funny cat.
Oh, he's so funny. I love him. Alright.
Good thing, White. Yeah, Matt was good. He got my number. He'll randomly FaceTime me. Like,
Oh, he's the best. I know. He loves me.
I mean, he's sleeping. And I'm like,
Let's keep cozy.
I say some stuff to big events, so I got some more stuff coming.
I love it.
Please don't cancel.
I won't. I promise. Guys, hi, my name is
Your name and you go cyberpunk.